Let's open another playground. If you have yours open, the previous lesson we did, it's okay, you can continue in it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create another playground, again a blank one, call these variables. Let's open this up. The meaning of the variable is that the value is variable, we can change it. So you can see by default is already one line here by Apple. So it says var, then we have the name, and then we have a value here. So we have that our str, which is short for string, is equals hello playground, which is a type of text. I'm going to remove it, and let's create some different type of variables. So again, we put a keyword that this is a variable. You can see that my number is equals to 8 now. Then I'm going to say var my string is equals to hello. Say var I am 18 and up is equal to true. And let's see if we can change any of these values. So if I say my number is equals to 20 or to 10, this is perfectly fine. If I run, it will show that here my number was 8 and now it's 10. If I say my string is equals to, and we put a string, now my string is equals to good. If I change I am 18 and up is equals to false, which is not true, the value will be changed to false. So as you can see, the difference between the constants and variables is that you can change any number of times you want the value. I can say my number is equals to 50, and this is perfectly fine. I can change it as many times as I want because this is a variable. And same with all the type of variables, you can change them as many times as you want. I also can say that my number is equals, and I can say like 50, 10 plus 50, and this is also perfectly fine. We are doing some calculations here and Xcode does it for us, so it sets the value to 60, so you don't have to just give any specific number here. Or I can say like my string is equals, and what I can do is write hi, and then I can say even plus hey, and if I print, you can see that hi and hey is one string here, but it contains two parts here. So what I want to show you here, that the plus sign can be used also for our strings, not only for numbers. But there is one thing we cannot change. For example, I cannot say my number is equals to hello, because if I click, it will give me an error because currently my number is specified with the type integer, and now I'm trying to change the type of my number to a string. This is not allowed in Xcode, in Swift language in general, so you cannot do this. You can change the value as long as it's the same type. So I can say my string is equals to 10. This is invalid. Again, I am setting the string type to be an integer. So as long as the new value is a same type, it will be accepted for the variables. Otherwise, it's going to throw an error. So this is not acceptable, not accepted change in the Swift.